Hello my dear students, welcome to our today's class. Today we are going to start our third chapter, Acids and Alkalis. There are two specific types of chemicals in which you might heard about them. The substance we use in our daily life have the presence of acids and alkali. And we use them in medical field, manufacturing of food and other fields. Let's discuss some characteristics about them in this chapter. You are familiar with this flower. Yes, this is a hibiscus flower. Using this flower, let's do an activity. In this activity, we are going to make a hibiscus paper. Cut a white paper into long narrow strips. Then rub thoroughly a hibiscus flower on both sides of a piece of white paper. Remove all traces of flour sticking to it after it is dried. When it is dried, you will get a paper like this, and this is hibiscus paper. Let's conduct an experiment with hibiscus paper on lemon juice, water, coconut oil, vinegar, soap solution, sugar solution, tamarind water and milk. Using a narrow strip of hibiscus paper, we can test to each of these substances. First, we are going to test with lemon juice. See what happens here. Yes. When a drop of lemon juice falls on hibiscus paper, its color changes. The hibiscus paper is blue in color. The color changes to red where the drop of lemon juice falls. Next one is coconut oil. If coconut oil falls on hibiscus paper, there is no color change, just the paper becomes oily. Repeat this with vinegar and look at the color change like this. Do the experiment with water, milk, tamarind, sugar solution, soap solution and buttermilk. Then see the color change. In this experiment, it is clear that the liquids which have sour taste turned blue hibiscus paper to red. Lemon juice, buttermilk, tamarind and vinegar are generally sour taste and they contain acid. In laboratories, litmus paper is commonly used instead of hibiscus paper. They are available in red and blue colors. Litmus paper is red in acid, but the acid present in these food substances are weak. Let's see the acids present in some food substances. In buttermilk, lactic acid, vinegar, acetic acid, tamarind, tartaric acid, lemon, citric acid, apple, malic acid. You may heard about hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, etc. They are used in the laboratory and they are strong acids. So, what are the things should be considered while handling chemicals? Yes, first one, do not taste. Second, do not touch. Third one, do not smell. Do not let it fall on the body. Use a dropper while transferring acid from bottle. Use a holder to hold a test tube. And the last one, while diluting an acid, pour small quantities of acid slowly into the water taken in a beaker and stir well. Dear students, let's conclude today's session. Today we have studied about hibiscus paper, litmus paper, and some characteristics of acid. See you again. Thank you.